Hi, in today's video we will be learning the function named as LEN, that is LEN. Now how it is used and for what purpose it can be used is what we are going to appreciate in this video. So hi guys, my name is Rahul Srivastav and I welcome you all to my channel. Now suppose you are having an Excel sheet which you have downloaded as a report and copied in the form of Excel sheet, and your requirement is to send bulk SMS to all the customers. Now here I have only taken two columns, that is name and mobile numbers, which is again hypothetical data. Now suppose under mobile number section you are having digits as you can see here. Now if the digits are 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, or it is starting from 9 1 and then again the rest of the mobile number, and there are certain digits which are either 12 7 10 and 8 digits also. Now you can send the bulk SMS only to those mobile numbers which are having 10 digits, correct? So how to segregate this? You will tell me, sir, very smartly. I will select the cell. I will select the entire sheet wherein my numbers are there. I'll apply filter from here, and then I will select one by one all those mobile numbers which are having digits at 10. Now this is possible if your mobile number, or if your mobile number is limited. As you can see here, only we are having 13 or 14 mobile numbers, but had the numbers been in thousands, would it be possible for you to select, apply filter and select the mobile numbers with 10 digits code one by one? No. So then what to do? Here comes the function named as len. So what we are going to do is we are going to insert an column over here, and we'll type here as character, as you can see, and we'll press equals to len. We'll press tab and then we'll select the cell, and then we'll press enter button. Now as soon as you press the enter button, you see here it has given you the number of characters which this mobile number is having, that is 10. And as we double click on this, we get the result for all the mobile numbers. Now we can do, what we can do is we can select this, we can apply filter, and then we can select only those mobile numbers which are having 10 digits, and then we can copy it and paste it in another cell, and then we can send the bulk SMS. So I hope this technique was useful to you. You might have experienced this problem because this is a real case study problem which one of my colleagues has given me. So please make use of this, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos on Excel and commercial loan appraisal. Thank you.